So today we're going to be doing the simplest dance on the internet, and it looks like this. And without wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, back to another YouTube video. My name is Robin, and today we're going to be doing a pretty easy, probably the simplest dance on the internet right now. And ladies and gentlemen, without wasting your time, let's get into the video. This video is mirrored. This is your right because this is my right, and this is your left because this is my left. So guys, our first move is pretty simple. We're gonna use our right leg, and then we're gonna move back like that. Did you get it? So you're gonna go ding ding, and then you come back, right? So you're gonna go ding ding, back again, ding ding, and then back. And then your hands are going like this on top. If you want to open your hands, it's fine. If you want to close your hands, it's still okay. So you just choose which one you want to do. So in 5, 6, 7, 8, we're gonna do both the hands and the leg. In 5, 6, 7, 8, we go ding ding. Did you get it? Let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go ding ding. You get it? So make sure when you do this, you're not doing straight. You're gonna do on probably like diagonal, and then your leg is gonna be also like a bit diagonal. This is the kind of position that we need. In 5, 6, 7, 8, you go ding ding. Right? So we wanna do that twice. Try and do it twice. In 5, 6, 7, 8, we go ding ding. 1, 2, 3. We go ding ding. Get it? Try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go ding ding. 1, 2, 3. Ding ding. Nice. We want to try and go finish the first step. So the first step is 3 parts. So that was the first one, and then the second, and now I do the third one. But we want to go 1, 2, and then 3. You get it? So exactly how I'm doing it. You want to go 1, 2, 3. Again in 5, 6, 7, 8, you go ding ding. 5, 6, 7, you go ding ding, and then you go 1, 2, 3. Right? So on the third step, you're gonna try and leave just one count. On the first step, between the first step and the second step, we're leaving 3 counts. Between the second step and the third step, we're leaving 1 count. I'll show you how. So the first step is gonna be ta, 1, 2, 3. Ta, 1, ta, ta. Maths, maths, but it's pretty simple. Don't get it too complicated. It's not complicated. It's not complicated. We try again. In 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. 1, ta, ta, ta. 1, ta, 1, 2, 3. Simple, 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 simple. So we're gonna try and do the second step together. This side, and then you're gonna bring them this side, and then you're gonna bring them down. You get it? And then your hips are gonna go down like this. Yeah, they're gonna go move up and then down, move up, move down, move up, move down. Others can't do the hip movement, so they're just gonna be like a bounce if you can't do the hip movement. You know. So if you can't do this, you're gonna just do this. Yeah, that's it. Still looks cool. Still looks cool. But if you can move, especially the girls, I'm sure you can move the hips. Yeah. So we're gonna try from the top in 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Ding ding. 1, 2, 3. Ding ding. 1, 1, 2, 3. Ka. 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna clap. There's a 1, 2, clap. You get it? So 1, 2, clap. And then you're gonna go 1. Okay, we're gonna do also a nice groove on your waist. You're gonna just move this side and then move this side. So up, and then you want to go down. So your hands are going this side with your waist. There, 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 there. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Only twice. 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Did you get it? Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Try from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go ta. 1, 2, 3. You go ta. 1, 1, 2, 3. Go 1, 2, ta. Then you go 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Did you get it? So 2 on top and then 2 on the bottom. Second step, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go ta 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 step. 1, 2, and then 1, 2. You get it? Right, let's continue to the third step. So after 1, 2, you're gonna clap and then you're gonna put this hand here, right? So when you put in fact you're gonna put both your hands here and then you're gonna step. So when you step, you're gonna step like that and then this side and then you step again on this side and you come this side. Did you get it? That's the third step. In 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, ta, and then you go 2, ta. Try it again. Kai, go ta, ta again, ta, ta. You go ta again, ta, ta. You go ta. Yeah, nice, nice. We're gonna try from the second step to the third step. Second step, ka 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 ka, taka taka ta, taka 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 ta, taka ta ta, taka ta ta. That's the third step, right? And then after the second one, you're gonna step with your right in front, and then you're gonna cross your hands like this twice. I'm sure you guys know this move. Yeah. So you wanna go 1, 2, and then roll this side, and then you're gonna go alone. You get it? Sure you guys know alone. Third step, 1, ta, you go 2, ta, you go 1, 2, and then roll there. You get it? You roll, and then you put it here. 5, 6, 7, 8, go ta, 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 ta. Also on the third step, don't forget to bounce. Yeah, every time, every time, every time. Everything from the top in 5, 6, 7, 8. You go ding 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 ding. 1, 2, 3. Ta 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 go dun 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 dun. You go there, you go there, you go there, and then roll, and then you're here. We're gonna try with the music, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Alright guys, thank you so much if you watched this video until this end. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you are notified every time I drop a new video. If you want private classes, do hit me up on Instagram, send me a DM and let's talk about it. And if you launch this piece, post it on Instagram, post it on TikTok, tag me, let's see what you're on about. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, if you watched till this end, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Peace.